This is Liz Lutz, the realtor who stands up to serve you, and I'm here today for your October 2011 Philadelphia Real Estate Market Report. I am so excited to share this great news with you. We're comparing the first quarter numbers to the second quarter numbers, and the prices are up 3.7%. Year-to-year prices for single-family homes is still down a little at 1.8%, but the condo market is up 1.6%. The amount of new homes being built is up, and the average days on market have gone down. Interest rates are still low. We're talking about a 30-year fixed-rate FHA mortgage around 3.75. And then if you're looking at a 30-year 5/1 ARM FHA, you're at 2.75. So you've got some variability in different programs available to you. So what this means for you is if you're looking for a $300,000 home, your mortgage is going to be around $2,000, give or take. So what this really means to you is if you're that person that's been waiting for that neon blinking sign to say buy now, it's the best time to buy. And you know what? I love helping your friends, your family. So if you know anyone that's been waiting for that great time to buy or upgrade or even invest, let me know. Send me their name, their contact information, or hey, just give me a call and we'll talk it through. And as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next month